Good night, Kit Kat. You know we have school tomorrow. What do you think about that? We have to say good night. What are you doing?
Oh, my homework. What are you doing?
We're getting ready for bed.
We're getting ready for bed so we can go to school tomorrow.
Yeah, I'm already pretty much in the school year because when my room looks like this, it means I'm in
It's
the school
September
year.
9th.
9:51.
And I am starting and finishing my pre-quarter 7th. That's due at 8 a.m. for my first ever class this year.
Oh, God. Good morning. Okay. I just caught my phone. Dropped it. I have to pee really freaking bad. I'm gonna put some pants on and we're gonna go get ready for the first day of school. Oh, are you ready for the first day of school? Kit Kat. Come on, let's go downstairs. Alright. I don't know if I'm up too early or what. I'm starving. And we're gonna make some coffee. Do you guys hear this cat?
What do you want? What?
I don't know what time Kaylee and Joel wanted to wake up, so they're still asleep.
Alright. Good morning, guys. Lee and Kaylee are sitting here.
Our first class for the day, and I can't really freaking see because the sky
It's really fucking bright.
really freaking bright. Okay, I had to go print something.
Welcome back to our vlog. We're just hanging out. Me and Jill don't have class right now, so.
This is going to be my life every day. I only have classes at 8 a.m. and then I have my online class. Oh, this is what my hair was. Oh God, I suck. My hair was all wavy and pretty, and I literally just walked into a building, sat there, and walked out. So maybe I was outside for, I don't know, 12 minutes, and my hair just. So that's what Savannah does to your hair.
Yep. Okay, so on my way to my second class of the day, to park all the way down the freaking street, walking to class. It's like 10:55 right now, and I'm just really stressed out because I still didn't even print the thing that I had to print for my class. Really overgrown. Might be snakes. No, I really want to die right now though. I'm gonna be late. Do I care? Yeah, I really do care. This is not fun. Hello?
I was waiting for the mail.
Hello, ladies.
Our plan was to scare you, but you scared me.
How was your first day of class?
It's good. How was yours?
It was good. How was yours?
Great.
Yay! Woo!
Yes.
There, put it back on just for you. Little Miss Virgo.
No steel bread in this house.
On today's Taste Made video,
Yeah,
We
we're
have-
making leftovers.
I want my bread microwave.
Why do you only vlog when I look like crap?
huh?
You know what? I'll put on a better pajama.
No, it's fine. It's fine, Jill.
I'll put on a better pair of pajamas.
Do not change.
Take a shot every single time I change in any video. Any
No.
video whatsoever. Well, there I go. Changing right before your eyes.
Let there be light. Oh, crap. You know what is really funny? This has to be on.
What's this Q-tip doing over here?
Did you put it there?
No.
Well, I did not put it there. My Q-tips don't even look like that. So, Haley,
Open the door. Oh! So scary. Hey. That's how you stop.
Oh no.
This doesn't even have like the handle things. It's like the back shit. Oh crap.
Better hurry up, Jill.
No.
So you gotta be able to drive on the street without getting scared
I've
of
never
cars.
driven on the street.
Right there. All those are bats.
Those are not bats.
Here they are. Maybe not. They're sweet.
All of them have cool bikes, and I have a little kid bike.
No, I think you have a cool bike because it matches my car.
Meep meep. Meep. Oh, you don't have a horn? Or a bell?
Kit Kat looking at us.
He's still sitting there.
Wait. Come outside. Come on.
Come here, kitty, 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 kitty. Is it gonna rain tonight?
I don't know.
I need information.
I need to drink some water.
And she's off.
Let me plug my Snapchat real quick. At Haley Gosling, hit at me if you want some good content.
There's so many mosquitoes out there, and it is so hot.
Single file line, ladies.
That's how we do it in this house.
We really can't walk next to each other.
You really can't.
Wanna try
It's
it?
like follow the fucking lead.
Ooh, beautiful girl. Oh god, I look like a man. Will gas still work if the power goes out?
Yes.
My vote is we get a lot of mac and cheese at Kroger's.
Oh, but we need water to boil.
What the fuck?
The water will work, won't it?
If the
Yeah, the water will work if the power goes out.
Because if we don't
Oh.
evacuate, it's still gonna flood here.
No,
Yes,
my
it
car. What do I need to do to prepare my
You have
car?
you have insurance in your car.
Wait, like how bad is it gonna flood?
We don't know. No
Wait,
one knows.
don't scare me. You're gonna make me go buy like a platform to drive my car up onto. I'm just kidding. I'm just.
Fucking Virgo. Insurance is for, right?
Yeah, but that's like really scary to think about. I don't want that something bad to happen to my
I
car.
don't want anything bad happen to my
I
bike.
heard-
Too. I don't have insurance on that bitch.
Put it over here.
I look like a fucking nut.
Oh, you put this in the oven
Yep.
on the middle rack.
Yep.
Oh god, it's so hot. Yep. Did it.
Oh, it's all wax. Wow, that dried my hands so fast. Anyways. Yeah, it's sponsored. I think they're really good.
Kit Kat, do you like the new thing we put on our wall? He said yeah.
We're decorating.
Yeah, we're trying to decide if we should rearrange the furniture in our living room, and there is the pizza. Smells good.
Do you want to use your honorary pizza cutter? Florence in the machine is coming. She's.
Anyone else around here cut their pizzas with scissors?
I think that's good. It's not really brown on the bottom. What do y'all think?
Yeah. Toast that bitch.
A little longer. Let's do like 2 minutes.
2?
3 minutes. 5 minutes.
Yeah.
It's so hard to do. We need to add an oven mitt to our
I almost bought you a bigger pan the other day at Walmart, and Joel told me not to.
It's like The Office. Say something funny, but like something Dwight would say.
I'm not Dwight, the fuck?
No, just like, I'm just.
No.
That's Jim. That was Jim.
Angela?
No! No!
So would Ivy.
What are you doing?
Action. That's what I'm going back.
Where are you going, Joel?
Going this way.
Are y'all ready for day 2 of classes tomorrow?
No, I don't know what I want to wear.
I have a good clickbait title. It's Jill rides her bike around in vintage Victoria's Secret.
Is it really Victoria's Secret?
Yeah. It's from like the 80s or something.
Oh wow.
Yeah, it's my grandmother.
Yeah.
The black Converse.
Yeah, that'll be cute.
Okay,
Wait, what should I wear tomorrow? You told me you were gonna
Okay, I'll come help. Wait, is tomorrow your job interview?
Yeah.
Ooh.
I have to take my bike there.
You should wear this and tie the shirt up like you
Okay.
did.
For my interview too?
No, you should change for your interview.
Into the dress.
No.
It says, and the thing is like, do you want to wear whatever you want to wear to work and like
Oh.
blah blah blah. Like I want to dress like.
Okay, then yeah, wear
so
the
cute.
dress.
Yeah. Okay. Good night, vlog.